Hello guys, welcome back to Proggy. So after a long time I'm doing a video again. I hope so you will like it. So today's topic is deleting your Chrome's browsing history and how to do it. So let us straight jump into the video. So after opening Chrome, where you have to go? You have to go to this particular top right side and click on these three dots. And from here there are two options. You can either go to this history or you can go to delete browsing data. I will suggest you go to history and from there you click on this history, and here you can see all the websites and pages you have visited in the last few days. It has a obviously a long history. Probably it will contain years of data if you have not deleted it. So from here you click on this particular button called delete browsing data. So this particular small window comes up. So let us understand first that what this is. In the topmost part, obviously you're getting the time frames, like you want to delete the last hour of data or last 24 hours, last 7 days, whatever, or all time. So let us click on last hour for now. And when you open this, by default this four boxes are only clicked, so it deletes your browsing history. It also deletes the cookies and all which have been injected by the websites, cached images, and your download history itself. If you click on show more, this will show you something else extra. So it's up to you whether you want to delete these things also, like autofill form data. So if you click that, whatever, small pieces of information you have fed to the website in the small boxes and all, that also will get deleted. So for now, let me stick to the basic ones. And after that, you have to just click on delete data, and that's it. You're seeing here the information that last hour's data is deleted. So remember one important point up here: when you are deleting your browser data, your Google's activity data is not getting deleted. Google still records your stuff. Like let's say you've done some YouTube or Google searches, then that will still come up, but not in your Chrome browser. It will come up in your myactivity.google.com, something like that. So obviously, apart from you, nobody else can see that. But that's a different thing, and there are ways to delete that also. But that is a topic for a different video, maybe. So you might be thinking that, like, why have this hassle of deleting your browsing data every time you touch something sensitive? So there is another way for that, and for that it's very simple. You have to just open incognito windows. For that, you go to the this top three dots on the top right side, click it, and just you can see new incognito window. So this black thing comes up, and there is a reason for that. Like nobody can track you. That is, and this theme is different from the normal ones, which is like the white or whatever wallpaper you are having. And you can see that here's a person's image with spectacles and a black hat, sort of a detective, and it is saying you have gone incognito, and this ensures that this whatever you do in this browser, nothing will come up in the history. So nothing will be saved in your browser history. Even the websites will not know that you have visited this site. So if you open something and after 1 hour you open it again, the website knows that you have come, and it will obviously track you. But here in incognito windows, they can't inject cookies and all, so that's not possible. But yes, of course, if you're going to Google and doing something inside Google, Google will obviously record that. So that is saying that your activity might be still visible to websites you visit, and that's obvious, I guess. If you are, associated with an employer or school, and they are controlling your, this entire computer, then obviously they can see that. But that's a different topic. That's not for normal users, of course. And when you're done with this, just close it, and everything is gone. Remember, and you can't access the even the URLs of the website you have visited. So just remember that also. So that's it for this small video. I hope so you liked it, and please subscribe to the channel, like and share if you thought that the video was good. And if you have any questions related to the topic, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will make sure to answer it.